guys, we are here in Port Canaveral. This is Krista from the Degenerate Cruisers, for those who may not be familiar with this lovely lady. But we are about to go on a helicopter. So today has been an amazing day thus far. We got to see the Carnival Mardi Gras, the brand new, highly anticipated Carnival Mardi Gras, pull into port for the very first time. And then a while after that, we got to see the Royal Caribbean Odyssey of the Seas pull in as well. So like, beautiful. Mind blown, 2 brand new, absolutely gorgeous ships. And guess what? We're about to go on a helicopter tour and fly right over them. So excited. If you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and go ahead and check the description box for all the information so you can go on a helicopter tour as well when you come and visit Port Canaveral. So we're so excited. They're telling us that it's time to go get on. Let's go take a look at these 2 beautiful brand new ships. Take your time, make sure it's full. Slight delay. The heli needs some more fuel. Look at that. We're gonna get to see what this looks like for a helicopter to get fuel. That's so incredible. Who knew that's how they did this? Wow. All right, all right. Wow, look at this. They fuel it right at the top there. Oh, who would have known? Not I. Gas her up.
Hi, I won't jump out of a perfectly good airplane, but I will fly in a helicopter with no doors at 110 miles an hour.
I mean, logistically speaking, why not? We gotta go see the Mardi Gras and the Odyssey. They won't let us on board.
No.
No one's getting on, no one's getting off. So,
This is all we can do.
closest we can get. Let's do it. Alrighty, folks. Guess what he's doing now? We're getting the doors off. I've been on a helicopter ride before, but I've never done it with the doors off. So this is a special experience. Yes! Look at that! Great job, my friend. Amazing. Wow, I'm scared. Now it's real.
Yeah,
now it's real. Oh crap.
Yeah.
Oh crap.
That seatbelt better be really tight.
Oh boy. It's gonna be amazing.
Here's your seatbelt right there, ma'am. And both of your headsets are going to be right up. Alright.
We can hear you. Hi, Kevin.
Copy that.